Hey, what's up everyone? Unfortunately, my microphone was muted during this video, the way that we recorded it, so it's more like a Flamish and Jay reaction video to an opening of something special that they sent me, and you will find out in this video.
Oh yeah.
But I want to say something. Huge shout out to the years of Toys R Us that make my memories great. Thanks to King and Cognito for giving Flamish some ideas. And there's an ILP episode way back in the day, if you want to go back and listen to it, where I talked about Toys R Us. So essentially, to make the story short, Toys R Us was a place I used to hang out as a kid. My dad would send me there constantly. I bought every Transformer, bought every G.I. Joe, bought every Star Wars and Jedi figure. I had all the vehicles. There was nothing that I did not have. I was very fortunate as a kid that my dad spoiled me with this stuff. And
yeah,
you know, there's a really heartwarming story for me.
It's almost as if we're celebrating
when I was younger,
something.
That
So,
my dad
Cloud,
was, he became close friends with one of the
before you
managers there,
open this, I want you
and
to
when some of
think
the
of a
X-Men
time
figures came
when
in,
you were younger,
my dad
and something that means
had
very
a way
much
to get
you.
into Toys
After
R
I did
Us
some research,
after midnight, and
I also
the
logged
manager
around,
let my dad
and
purchase
it's something that
boxes
means
and
a lot to
boxes
you,
of X-Men
and
figures,
I
and I
ordered
had gotten the
So-
variant Iceman, and I was so
now you can
excited.
open your
So
package.
it's a memory for me that I will never forget, and I want to thank Flamish and Jay and everybody else who helped Flamish put this together
what
or give
fixes
them
that?
ideas. So thank you
Scissors.
very much to everybody out there.
No.
No.
Well, yeah, I thought it was gonna send it in email, not put it on the card, but okay. Yeah, it is something from Toys R Us, but you don't know what's inside.
Yeah.
Maybe that's the point. Maybe you'll never know what's inside.
It doubles as an oven mitt, so you can't get burned when you wear it either.
Is it like, is it paper? Is it cloth? What is it? Oh,
Look, he's
that's
getting a
cool.
workout. He's getting a workout.
Yeah, he's
just
getting a
opening the damn
workout
thing.
opening this. Okay, so close your eyes, and take it outside. Just hold the box. Go on. Be gentle. Don't break it.
Be gentle. Be gentle. Yes. No, no. Oh,
Yeah.
wait a second. Yeah,
Be-
we're going in a bad direction there.
What's BB-8? I don't
Yeah,
know
you
what-
don't want to know.
Okay.
We're gonna keep that from you because we don't want to ruin you.
Oh wow. Okay. Yeah. It's still not. Yeah. You have
Another
to unwrap
package.
that. Yeah. You have to unwrap that as well, clowns.
They
I think
really
they
wrapped
really,
it well, didn't they?
They really wrapped it well. I'm actually very fortunate for that. Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna wrap that. I'm gonna tell you if you're holding it right. Okay, you're holding it
Okay,
upside
don't
down.
open your eyes.
So
It's
turn
in,
it around.
it's in another piece of cellophane. You have to
So
get
it's
it out of the
upside
cellophane.
down. It's upside down. So turn it around 180 degrees. Yeah, that's good. So, yeah, and now
Yes.
turn it around. Yes, beautiful.
He's never gonna get this open with his eyes closed.
No. Yeah, he can do that. He's an adult. I think he can use a knife for that.
Did you say he's an adult?
He's an adult.
Not even close.
He's not an adult with a gray beard, basically. Oh, there's so many
Oh,
packages.
now there's another
Yeah, and
package.
I think
Just
you
chuck
need
it.
to.
Chuck it. You don't need it.
Yeah, that's
chuck it.
plastic. You check
There
it.
you go.
Check.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you need to turn it around again because you turned it around.
Just let him open it first, and then we'll get him to turn it around.
Yeah.
This should be easier. This bubble stuff should be a little easier to open.
Yes. I hope so.
Well,
I didn't know!
They wanted to make sure that the inflatable
Contents?
person. Oops, did I say too much? Didn't get damaged.
Yeah, maybe you said too much, yeah. I mean...
If you start hearing a hissing noise, you may want to duck for cover. A panther.
Panther?
That doesn't make any sense. Who would own a panther? And they're not wild. Really? Holy shit.
Why not a crocodile, though? That's weird. Okay.
That's insanity.
But the Florida was full of crocodiles. Told me you want to pet. You want the pet alligator, right?
But he wants him. He wants Loki.
Yeah, no one's Loki.
He wants Loki Gator.
I think it's open. Is it fully? Okay. You still close his eyes? Yeah. You have a guess. Okay. You may guess.
Duck for cover.
You may guess one time, but we're first gonna tell you how to face it after you. Oh, yeah. You can check that other plastic stuff.
If you can get it over your green screen with one throw, you get an extra surprise. Okay, it is backwards right now. Now you have to turn it all the way around.
Yeah, 180 degrees again.
You get another prize. Turn around. Turn it
Turn
around.
around. Turn
Keep going.
around. Yeah.
Stop. Now.
Yes. Yes.
Open your mouth. Open your eyes.
It's a limited edition from Canada. I actually found it online after talking to. I want to give a shout out to King and Cognito. They told me that you really like ToysRUs, and you're welcome, Klaus. Happy birthday, brother.
We can't hear you anymore.
Oh, can't you?
There you go. Whatever you do, clowns, if I catch you doing anything to Jeffrey that you shouldn't, we're gonna have words.
You're welcome, buddy.
Yeah, multiple.
That thing is well packed. Yes, I love it. I love it that they really put enough effort into it that it wouldn't get damaged in shipping. Yes.
Yeah, they're closed in Canada.
I had to look online for a few times actually. I couldn't find it. At first, something I was looking on the website, I couldn't find anything special. That was like something collectible basically. And then I found this online. And I was like, yeah, this is something I think it doesn't have. Limited edition as well, so it's something that most people don't have, Klaus.
Oh, you can thank Flamish. It was all his idea.
Yeah, Jay just wanted to be part of the part to not let me basically spend alone. So tell me a little bit about that time, Klaus. Tell me. Yes. Mm-hmm.
Hey, do you want to get some really big props from me if you say yes to this? Did you have, ready for this? The aircraft carrier from G.I. Joe. Whoa, because you know what? There was only one kid in my neighborhood that had it. And he was the spoiled little rich kid, and we all beat him up.
The aircraft carrier. I have to look that up.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Wow.
Do you want to hear something funny? So when growing up, we didn't have Toys R Us. I didn't even see a Toys R Us until I actually moved. Like I was like a young adult, moved to where I live now, and they had a Toys R Us that they put in the store, probably 4 or 5 years after I moved up here. But me growing up, our Toys R Us was Sears. And did you guys have Sears down there? Did you have Sears? Okay, so because we used to get the Sears Christmas wish book every year, and when the Sears Christmas wish book came out, it was like, oh,